Hi, friends. Let's add some dash of spirituality to our lives. So, let's start. Let's get going. No matter what we do, people will always talk about us. Yes, someone will always question our judgment. Someone will always doubt us. So, what do we do? Just smile and make the choice we can live with. Yes. Be more spiritual, be more forgiving, be more loving. Another thing, money is numbers and numbers never end. If it takes money to be happy, our search for happiness will never end. So, what do we do for happiness? Make others happy in the right sense, in the right way. Yes. Share happiness, share joy, share smile, and see how the life turns around. So, what you give, you get back. That is the mantra of life and universe. Now, if we focus on the hurt, we will continue to suffer. But if we focus on the lesson, we will continue to grow. And growth and change is the principle of nature. So let's grow. And the most important thing, the strength of a man is measured by his character, not by his possessions. So let's make our character stand out, shine, strong, best. Yes, let's make our character. By the way, who are we? Yes, Rumi Rahmatullah Alai asked, "Who are you?" I asked love one evening. And love is here? Nobody other than our Creator. Yes, our Creator is our love. And He said, I'm immortality, a beautiful life which has no end. Yes, a life like saints who make their lives successful here and hereafter after unfolding the mysteries in our lives and finding the right and the true path. Understanding the essence and the meaning of the journey of our life. Why are we here in this world and what are we supposed to do and how we can make our lives successful here and hereafter. So let's make that life a saintly life, a godly life. What say? As we live deeper in the heart, the mirror gets clearer and cleaner. Yes, let's start thinking only and only with our heart. Thinking with our heart. Let me change it. Loving, and living life full of emotions. That is love. Love all and be the love, spread the love. Researchers have found it. Yes, they found that the heart is always right. So let's start living only and only with our heart and not use our brains. Yes, brain always distracts us, reasons, analyzes, judges, and do what not. We all love our Creator, don't we? Yes. And to find that Creator, to find the beloved, what should we do? We must become like the beloved. Yes, we must become the beloved. So love all, serve all with happiness and joy in your heart without any malice for all. Yes, that's how our Creator does, isn't it? He has shown us how to forgive, how to love, by giving us an example of a mother who loves her child unconditionally, non judgmental. And, and you can see how a mother loves her child. Same way, become that mother Give that unconditional love to all. Thank you.